Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2025 Audi Q8. The Audi Q8 was built to stand out in a crowd, and it sure does. An aesthetically pleasing exterior, plenty of bells and whistles on the interior, and performance that makes you smile. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, turbocharged, panoramic roof, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, power liftgate, daytime running lights, privacy glass. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.